Hi, in front of me is ZTE Blade V2020 and today I would like to show you how you can manage app permissions on this device. You need to start by accessing settings and tapping on apps over here. Then select Permission Manager, pick one of the options like location, click on it and select an app. I will go with messages. So now I have to click on it and select one of the available options, allow only while using the app or deny. I will go with allow only while using the app, so now when I go back, I can see that messages gained access to my device location while I'm using them. But you can always click on one of your apps, choose see all Google permissions over here and manage them from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!